What if I told you there is a creature on Earth that has unlocked the secret to eternal life? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Deep in our oceans lives a jellyfish that, when faced with death, simply turns back the clock and starts its life all over again. It doesn't just live a long time, it can literally reverse its own aging process. This isn't just a biological curiosity. It's a phenomenon that could change everything we thought we knew about life, aging, and death itself. So, how does this tiny, seemingly insignificant animal achieve what humanity has only dreamed of? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of the immortal jellyfish. The creature we're talking about is officially named Turritopsis dohrnii, but it's much better known by its incredible nickname, the immortal jellyfish. Originally discovered in the Mediterranean Sea, this tiny marvel has since spread across the globe, hitching rides in the ballast water of ships. You can now find them in temperate and tropical waters worldwide, from Japan to the coast of the Americas. What's amazing is that for a long time, its unique ability went completely unnoticed. It was just another small, bell-shaped jellyfish, only about 4 to 5 millimeters in diameter. That's smaller than your pinky nail. It looks delicate, almost translucent, with a reddish-orange stomach visible through its bell. It's so unassuming, you'd never guess it holds one of nature's greatest secrets. The story of its discovery is fascinating. It wasn't until the 1990s that scientists studying these jellyfish in a lab noticed something truly bizarre. Instead of dying, some of them were changing. They were regressing, turning back into an earlier stage of their life cycle. This observation kick-started decades of research into this incredible biological loophole. So, what exactly happens when the immortal jellyfish decides to cheat death? Imagine you're an adult human. When you get old or seriously ill, your body breaks down. But for Turritopsis dohrnii, when it's faced with environmental stress, physical injury, or simply the ravages of old age, it can initiate a process called transdifferentiation. This is the biological equivalent of hitting a giant reset button. Instead of dying, the adult jellyfish, known as a medusa, sinks to the ocean floor. Its bell and tentacles begin to wither and reabsorb back into its body. It essentially folds in on itself, transforming into a little blob of tissue, a cyst-like structure. From there, it develops into a colony of polyps, which is the earliest juvenile stage of a jellyfish's life. Think of it like a butterfly. Instead of dying, turning back into a caterpillar. It's a complete do-over. This process is truly unique in the animal kingdom. While some animals like salamanders can regenerate limbs, no other known creature can revert its entire body to a sexually immature colonial stage after reaching sexual maturity. Once it reverts back to this polyp stage, the story isn't over. It's just beginning again. This polyp colony, anchored to a surface like a rock or a seashell on the ocean floor, is essentially a jellyfish nursery. From this colony, new, genetically identical jellyfish buds will eventually form and detach. Each one of these buds will then grow into a new adult medusa, ready to live its life all over again. So, from one dying adult, an entire colony of new young jellyfish can emerge, each carrying the same genetic information. It's a mind-bending form of survival. The adult that was old and injured is gone, but its life, its very essence, continues in these new bodies. It's not just regeneration. It's a complete renewal of its life cycle. It's a perfect loop, a biological infinity symbol. This incredible cycle of rejuvenation can, in theory, repeat forever. That's why it's called the immortal jellyfish. As long as it isn't eaten by a predator or destroyed by disease, it can bounce between its adult medusa stage and its juvenile polyp stage indefinitely. This makes Turritopsis dohrnii biologically immortal. It doesn't die of old age. This ability completely challenges our fundamental understanding of life and aging. In most complex animals, the life cycle is a one-way street: birth, growth, reproduction, and then, inevitably, decline and death. But this jellyfish has found a way to turn that one-way street into a roundabout. It's the only known animal that can do this. Its existence proves that the process of aging isn't necessarily an irreversible decline. Nature has already figured out how to reverse it, at least in this one tiny creature. Naturally, this has made the immortal jellyfish a superstar in the scientific community, especially for research studying aging and cellular biology. Scientists are desperately trying to understand the genetic and cellular mechanisms that allow for this transdifferentiation process. The key seems to lie in its cells' ability to reprogram themselves. When the jellyfish gets stressed, certain cells that are specialized, say, a muscle cell or a nerve cell, can transform into a different type of specialized cell, or even revert to a stem cell-like state. Stem cells are the body's master cells, capable of developing into many different cell types. By studying how the jellyfish activates these cellular pathways, scientists hope to find clues that could apply to human health. Imagine if we could encourage our own damaged cells, like in the heart after a heart attack or in the brain after a stroke, to repair and regenerate. The immortal jellyfish's biology could hold the key to revolutionary medical treatments for degenerative diseases. Now, it's important to clarify what immortal really means in this context. Turritopsis dohrnii is not invincible. It's still a very small, soft-bodied creature floating in a dangerous ocean. It can be eaten by fish, turtles, or other jellyfish. It can be killed by diseases or sudden, drastic changes in its environment, like pollution. If it gets squashed or eaten, its life is over, just like any other animal. Its immortality is strictly biological. It doesn't succumb to the natural process of aging and breaking down that we see in virtually all other animals. So while any individual jellyfish can die, the lineage, the life cycle itself, has the potential to go on forever. It has escaped death by old age, but not death by misadventure. This distinction is crucial. It's not a superhero. It's just a master of biological recycling. So, what's happening at a deeper genetic level? Research has shown that the immortal jellyfish has a remarkably robust set of genes related to DNA repair and antioxidant protection. Our bodies, and the bodies of most animals, accumulate damage over time. Our DNA gets corrupted by replication errors and environmental stressors. This damage builds up, leading to what we call aging. But the immortal jellyfish seems to have superior mechanisms for fixing this damage. When it initiates its transformation, it essentially hits a genetic clean slate button. It ramps up the production of proteins that repair DNA and protect the cells from stress. It's like having a team of microscopic mechanics on call 24/7, ready to completely overhaul the entire system whenever things start to go wrong. It has this genetic toolkit that allows it to reset its biological clock in a way no other creature can. The potential implications for humanity are, frankly, staggering. While we're a very long way from creating a fountain of youth pill, studying the immortal jellyfish could unlock breakthroughs in anti-aging research and regenerative medicine. Scientists are mapping its genome and comparing it to that of its mortal jellyfish relatives to pinpoint the exact genes responsible for its unique ability. The hope is that we might one day be able to activate similar pathways in human cells. This wouldn't be about living forever, but about extending our health span, the period of our lives where we are healthy and free from age-related diseases. Imagine being able to repair damaged tissues, reverse cellular aging, and treat conditions like Alzheimer's or heart disease. The secrets hidden within this tiny jellyfish sDNA could pave the way for a future where we don't just live longer, but live healthier for longer. It's truly humbling to think about. Here we are, a species that has walked on the moon and created artificial intelligence. Yet one of nature's biggest secrets is held by a creature that is barely visible to the naked eye. It's only a few millimeters wide, a tiny speck of life in the vastness of the ocean. Yet its biological power is massive. The immortal jellyfish is a living paradox, small and fragile, yet functionally eternal. It is a powerful reminder that there is still so much we do not know about the natural world, and that sometimes the most profound answers can be found in the most unlikely of places. Its existence forces us to reconsider the very definition of life and the limits of biology. In the end, the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, does more than just survive. It completely rewrites the rules of life and death. It shows us that aging might not be the inescapable fate we've always believed it to be. While we may never achieve true immortality, this tiny creature offers a glimmer of hope for a future with healthier, longer lives. It's a testament to the incredible and often bizarre adaptability of life on our planet. It makes you wonder, if you had the chance, would you want this ability? To hit reset and start all over again? It's a fascinating question. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about this amazing creature, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the wonders of our world.